Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how we can convert your repository on GitHub into a template repository, for example, to use it for your future repositories as a template. So let us dive into this. All right, so navigate to GitHub, navigate to your repository and access its settings by clicking into this button. Next, navigate to the General tab here in the top left. And here in your repository settings, scroll down a bit till you get to this feature here under repository name. So make sure that you enable the template repository. That is going to convert your repository into a template. So that, for example, as previously mentioned, users who collaborate or co-work with you here on GitHub may use that template for create new repositories using the same directory structure, for example. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.